Last week?
Yeah, Tim broke my fucking, Tim broke my door. I have a designated door. Son of a bitch. This reckoning is coming.
I like to hit the gear shifter. Knock it. I'm hitting it right now. Boom, 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 boom.
That's not the gear shifter. That's your gear shifter.
I like to stroke it, and lick it, and stick it, and shift it.
I like that Peterbilt Tim had that one day with the rope for the air horn. It had nice leather heated seats and shit. I hate this shit.
Leather, but I got heated seats.
I hate this track. He's such a little bitch.
Look at this fucking black
It's funny
cat.
how much you
Look
guys
at this
talk
fucking
shit
cat.
about, but
He's
then
fucking so slow. What the fuck? Oh my word, you fucking fat cat. You're fucking taking your time crossing the road, little bitch. Now I'm gonna get bad luck, right? That's why I did that shit.
You want bad luck?
No, he gave it to me already. Walked right fucking slow across my truck.